Hi, I'm Peggy Farron with Understand Photography. I'm going to show you how to use Photoshop CS6 to edit documents. I'm going to go ahead and open a PDF document, File, Open, and I know I have one on the desktop, so here it is. This is a copy of my old newsletter from a few months ago. Now you're going to see up here you can choose pages and it will give you a full page, or images, and you can just select one of the images from your document. That's really nice. So you could just open up, let's just say, this picture of the dog, or File, Open. I'm going to find it again. Go to Pages, and let's open up an entire document. If you want to change the text, it's not real simple. You actually just have to kind of type over it. So what I do is I use the marquee selection tool. I select over where I want to type, make a new layer, fill it with white, and then you can use your type tool to go ahead and type in here. Save it as something new, and that's how you edit a document using Photoshop.